Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Gun Breakdown and Beginner's Guide. I'm Jonathan, and today we're going to be continuing our Smith & Wesson series. Today we're going to be talking about how to break down and clean your Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0 metal frame and performance center pistol. Alright, let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing we're going to do is point this weapon in a safe direction. Next, we're going to remove the source of ammunition by depressing the mag release button right here, which there's no magazine inside. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to rack the slide to the rear, lock that in, and we're going to do a physical and visual inspection of the chamber. So I see nothing, feel nothing, weapon is clear. So while the slide is locked back to the rear, we can go ahead and flip down the slide lock lever. So we're going to go ahead and push it down 90 degrees. We're going to release the slide, and then to take the slide off, you are going to have to pull the trigger. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Now we're going to sit down our pistol grip / trigger housing group. Next is going to be our guide rod and our spring. So we'll go ahead and pop that out real quick. And then next is going to be our barrel. So we'll set that down. Okay. Now you're going to take your solvent or your CLP, whatever it is, or your hops, whatever it is that you use. It's whatever you use to break down the carbon and residue of the stuff that you use to clean the gun, or that builds up in the gun so you can use to clean it. So we'll go ahead and grab that. I personally use Shooter's Lube. No, they don't endorse this video or anything like that. I just think they make solid quality product, and it just works super well for me. So let's go ahead. We're going to spray right here. We're going to spray along the trigger bar. We're going to spray inside there and right on top of here. Okay, and now that we got that, we can set this to the side. Next is going to be our guide rod and our spring. So we're going to spray this. And we're going to use our fingers to spread the oil, or rather the solvent, across the guide rod and the spring. Next is going to be our barrel. So we're going to spray inside of the barrel. So we'll go ahead and do that. Next is we're going to spray this little hook piece. Let's see if we can get the focus. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this to focus. So this inside this little hook piece right here, and then we're going to spray where this little notch that the guide rod sets in. Okay, so now that we got that, we're going to take our slide. We're going to spray everything inside the internals. We're going to spray the grooves alongside and down. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, and while that's sitting, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our brush, which is right here. I'm going to dry off our hand real quick. Okay, so we're going to take our brush and we're going to start brushing alongside here, along the trigger bar. You're going to want to get inside, especially inside the mag well, especially if you do reloads and you just drop your mags to the ground and you put those mags back in, you're going to get dirt inside. Okay, and we're going to get along right here. Okay, now we're going to set that down. We're going to wipe off our bristles on our brush. Okay, next we're going to take our guide rod and our spring, and we're just going to give that a quick brush down. Sorry, so I'm going to have to make this video kind of quick. So we're going to brush right along inside here. We're getting our brush inside the slide. We're getting our bathroom remodeled and they're here right now. So I'm just making this video kind of quick. And then most importantly, you're definitely going to want to clean the extractor. So we're going to take a Q-tip and let's see, where's the extractor? So you see this little hook piece? You see that hook, that little black piece right there sticking out? So you're going to take a Q-tip and you're going to run it alongside the extractor. Yeah, you see all that stuff that came off? There we go. Trying to get this camera to focus is a pain in the ass sometimes. So we're going to take that a few times and run that through. And you're going to do that as many times as you need to. If you need to put more solvent on it, that's fine. Next is going to be our, let's see, where's it at? My bore brush. So you're going to take the end of your bore brush. You're going to take your bore brush and you want to go from the inside and work your way out and push all the stuff out. And you're going to want to twist and do a twisting motion along the way. There we go. All right, let's take a look. And even if it's not perfect, which it definitely isn't, I just seen a couple specks. I don't know if you can, I don't know if the camera will be able to pick it up or not. But because we got some remodeling going on, I'm gonna have to make this video kind of fast. So we got that done. And we got our barrel cleaned out. And next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're going to take some Q-tips. We're gonna run our Q-tips alongside the grooves inside here. And get that nice and cleaned out. Okay, and now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to oil down the pistol. So we're going to oil the internals right inside of here. And here. Oops. It would help if that was open. There we go. So we're going to oil inside there, inside right here, along the trigger bar, inside right here in the spring. Okay. Now that we got that, we can set that down to the side. Next, we're going to put some oil on our guide rod and spring. We're going to spread that, work that along the way. Okay. Next is going to be our slide, and we're going to put some oil inside of the grooves and let it run down. Okay. And now that we've got that, we can go ahead and put our pistol back together. So we're going to take our barrel and we're going to go ahead, put that back in. Next, we're going to take the nub end, which is this piece right here, versus the flange end. We're going to set it back into the smaller hole. Set this into the notch. Make sure that's lined up, which it is. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to line it up with our slide up with the grooves. Rack that back on. Lock it to the rear. Flip our slide lock lever 90 degrees counterclockwise. And then we're going to send the slide forward. Now we're going to perform what's called a functions check of the firearm. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to wipe this down. Get this excess solvent oil off of it. Okay. Now that we got that done, we can move on to our functions check. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the trigger for a click. Rack the slide. Pull the trigger again, and this time keep it held down. Rack the slide, release the trigger for a soft clunk noise. Pull the trigger again for a click. Rack the slide, and there you go. That is how you perform your disassembly, cleaning, reassembly, and functions check of the Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0 metal frame and performance center pistol. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for joining me today on the channel, and stay safe, take care, and carry every day.